Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to send an Etsy order as a gift without showing the price? Etsy allows you to mark purchases as gifts so they ship directly to the recipients with optional gifts, messages or wrapping. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to mark an Etsy order as gifts in 2026 quickly and correctly. Okay, so first thing first, add item to your cart. So open Etsy app or website, choose the item you want. For example, let's choose any item like this. Click add to carts. Item appears in your shopping charts after that. Okay, so for example, let's choose this. Okay. Now open your charts or carts, okay, like this. Confirm quantity and options, okay. Select this order is a gift. For example, inside the carts, check the box, this order is a gift. Once enabled, you will see gift options, okay. Price hidden from recipients, gift message option appears, gift wrapping if seller offers it. Okay, so add a gift message, enter personal message, keep message short and clear. Okay, example, happy birthday, hope you enjoy this special gift or something. Seller includes message with package. Okay, so if seller offers wrapping, select add gift to wrapping, review additional cost. Availability depends on seller. Okay, so during checkout, add recipient's address, double check details, full name, street, country, and continue checkout. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.